Hello po, my name is Naz Balad from Pisabe PPG Bulacan chapter or Basi chapter, the Vice President. So, andito po ngayon tayo sa aming booth. So, to our fellow bayaws, lalo sa mga freshman or freshenator or first year, so come and be part of Pisabe PPG Basi chapter. So, this will be, our organization will be engaging. And of course, marami po kaming mga programs like seminar, workshop po sa atin. And of course, hindi lang po iyon, makakilala pa po natin yung mga seniors po natin sa pamamagitan ng sa pamamagitan po ng programa ng Pisabe PPG Basi Chapter. Yun lamang po. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Marjoline Bibi Handre, the head of Basi Dreams, the DOST Rising Experts in Advancement, Merit, and Service. So our organization is the official community for DOST scholars in Basi. So if you are one of our scholar of DOST, you can join our organization. Thank you.
Good day everyone! I am Angelo Jarol T. Rivera and ako po ang punong hiyas ng Malayang Hiyas, and we are inviting you po na sumali po sa organization namin. Ngayon po, ano nga po ba ang Malayang Hiyas? Ang Malayang Hiyas po is a home for all. Kahit ano pa ang sa GSC nyo, kung street or homosexual, kung bakla, tomboy, kung ano ka pa, kahit ano ka pa, invited ka sa organization namin, you are welcome. And we are an organization who are fighting for equal rights, and mapagbuklod po namin ang mga kalalakihan, kababaihan at mga LGBTQ community members sa ating paaralan.
I'm Lisette, the Vice President of Basiliping Tagalog Folkloric Group. Kami po ay isang samahan na pinapakita at patuloy na ipinagyayabong ang makulay na kultura ng ating bansa sa pamamagitan ng pagsasayaw. Halina at sumama sa aming paglalayag.
Hello, hi, mabuhay! I am Genesis Guevara, the Vice President of Safe Space Allies, the first ever mental health organization in our university, the Bulacan Agricultural State College. So, ang aming pong organization ay ang kauna-unahang mental health organization sa Basi na nagpo-promote ng pangalagaan ang mental health ng ating mga students. At unang-una po, ini-encourage namin kayo na mag-join. Dahil dito sa aming organization, hindi mo lang mafe-feel na basta org lang ito. This is your safe space. This is us, your allies. And hindi lang siya basta organization dahil isa din siyang pamilya na magiging kakampi mo na mapagsasabihan at inyong magiging sumbungan. And ngayon, ini-invite namin kayo na maging kabahagi ng aming organization. Kung kayo ay may talent sa pagpo-post, sa pagpe-painting, meron kaming mga activities na makakatulong sa inyo dahil alam namin na through art, na-express mo din yung sarili mo. So guys, hinihintay namin kayo. Welcome na welcome sa Safe Space Allies.
Hello, good day to everyone. I am Hazel B. Reyes, the Editor-in-Chief of the official student publication of Basi, The Soil Tiller. As of now, we are opening our doors for new aspiring journalists who wanted to be our writer, artists, photojournalists, as well as news reporters and video editors. So if you yourself are interested and if you wanted to be a part of our growing home of student journalists, then come and join us.
Makasama pamilyang araw po sa ating lahat. I am Harold Anyes, the President of Samahan ng Mag-aaral sa Agham, Panlipunan. Kami ang pinakamatandang social science organization dito sa Basi. Kaya kung gusto nyong malaman ang tungkol sa mga isyong panlipunan, kung mahilig kayo sa social sciences at iba pa tungkol sa ating society, pumunta lang kayo dito sa aming booth. Kung gusto nyo ng mga candies or about sa Green University, tara na, sama na sa Samapa.
Good day! I am Yana Makino, the Governor of the College of Education Local Student Council.
The College of Education Local Student Council is the official governing body of the College of Education. Bakit nga ba kami nandito? We are here to promote the College of Education and be the voice of the College of Education students. Kaya, sa aming mga ka-eduk, welcome sa College of Education at tara na sa mga magagandang activities na aming hinahanda sa inyo sa buong taon.
Hello po, I'm Gerald Malonzo, the President of BITS, the Builders of Information Technology Society. Kami ay isang academic organization. Mostly ang hinahandle namin are seminars, workshops, and orientations. Exclusively kami for BSIT students here at Dubai.
Ang kanilang critical thinking skills about science subject.
I am Aislinn Diigna, the President of English Club. Now you might ask, what is the importance of English Club? And let me tell you what it is. The English Club aims to promote the English language and the opportunities that are anchored with it. We have activities planned like essay writing, poem writing, anything, any interest you have, you can find it here in the English Club.
Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Miss Adria Ira D. Mendoza, ang presidente po ng The Overcomers Club. Ano nga po ba ang The Overcomers Club? Isa po itong religious organization kung saan na-open po siya sa lahat ng religion. Ito po ay voluntary. At ano nga po ba yung mga aktibidad namin dito sa org namin? Meron po kaming mga activities na sigurado po na makakatulong po sa mga kapwa naming estudyante. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Ronquillo, the Grand Chancellor of Tau Alpha Lambda Epsilon. Our organization aims to help and train our students to become a future leader.
Okay, so good morning, Basians. We are the SAEE or Society of Aspiring Elementary Educators. So, ang aim po ng organization namin ay makapag-provide ng at mas makakilala pa ang mga BEd students, ma-provide yung mga pangailangan nila at makatulong pa sa mga future educators natin. Yun lamang po, and thank you.
for DSIT. Good day everyone and welcome to our orientation.
Sangre Alena from the Philippine Association of Food Technologies.
Bigyan mo ako ng big! Ang galing nila ako sa ICS natin.
Our organization is to build value, unity, and leadership.
Kaya, hindi ka nanalo.
I'm the president of the Basi Alumni Urano.
Tayo po bilang publikasyon ang tumibitig at naglalathala ng mga istorya.
Sabi daw ng original kanina, sila daw ang tunay na masarap. Sabi naman ng malawak iyas, paranas!
Mental support organization in our university.
For the Overcomers Club, a religious organization in Basi.
Student Council Constitution Bylaws.
So first, my name is Raisa Santos Torres, our Chief Judge. Anong course mo?
History po.
Meron na kayong winner. Maghati kayo dun sa Dunner. Wala naman na tayong activity para makauwi kayo ng maaga. We're going to end the program now. So thank you at mag-ingat kayo for thank you for